How to enter referral code in Roblox. Welcome to Lemme Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To enter your referral code in Roblox, tap open your Roblox application in your device or visit a browser, search for roblox.com. In here, make sure to log in into your Roblox account. To enter your referral code, firstly, you need to navigate to the More option that is present in your left-hand corner. With all of this option popped up, you must navigate to Gift Cards and tap on it. You'll be redirected to a new page from where you can also shop gift card. Select on Redeem Card. You will find a dialog box where you can enter a gift card, virtual item, or promo code. In here, enter your referral code. If it's virtual, you can find it in an email. If not, if it's a physical card, check on the back of it or scratch off the protective layer of the card. If the referral code is valid, you may also receive some of the goodies that it contains in your Roblox. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.